Also in his address today, Pritzker proposed a statewide ban on cell phones in the classroom.
And WGN's Courtney Spinelli is at Evanston Township High School, one of about 10 schools statewide that already adopted its own policy.
What school officials started last summer here in Evanston doesn't put a ban on cell phones altogether, but it does put restrictions in place. And while not every student may love the idea, faculty says it has had a positive impact on classroom instruction.
Not everybody, but the majority of our staff and students have reported that they feel more connected to their classmates. That was the biggest thing.
Associate Superintendent Scott Bramley says Evanston Township High School piloted their new policy during summer school, officially rolling it out at the start of the school year. The idea behind it similar to what Governor J.B. Pritzker is proposing. He discussed it during his State of the State and Joint Budget Address Wednesday.
Improving the classroom environment and limiting distractions is vital to student achievement.
Pritzker's proposal would require all districts and charter schools in the state to adopt a wireless communication device policy. It would be up to the districts to adopt a set of policies that best fits their needs.
I think it's always great when Springfield can help out school districts, but I think having some local control is always important too. So it's a balance.
In Evanston, students are allowed to use their phones during the 10-minute passing periods. But when they walk into class, they find many teachers using a cell phone storage device like this one, where that will stay until the end of the block.
When they're in the classroom, we're really trying to focus on learning with intentionality.
So far, 8 states have a ban or restriction in place, while more than a dozen others have a proposal on the table. A 2024 survey from the National Parents Union found nearly 3/4 of parents say their child takes a cell phone to school. About 78% of participants say they wanted their kids to have a phone in the event of an emergency.
All the teachers have a phone. They're safe. I know they're safe.
So I want to first acknowledge that that's a real concern, and we have to listen to our families.
Bramley says they have a system in place to rapidly notify in the event of an emergency, so individual cell phone use isn't necessary. Parents who spoke with WGN outside the school say they like the policy for limiting distractions, but feel there are some kinks that need to be worked out.
Some teachers have decided to take attendance with the cell phone. Like if they turn it in, they'll take attendance.
For Maria Moreno, her daughter, a sophomore, is neurodiverse and doesn't always have her phone on her. She says she's been able to sort out the issue with the school, but is glad to see overall it's doing what it was intended to.
Our plan is to continue to hear from people how it's working, what we need to refine.
Pritzker's proposed legislation would require the policies be put in place by the 2026-2027 school year, but as of today, it has not been formally introduced as a bill. In Evanston, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.